got behind already, but I'm not quitting. Day 3 of this daily posting. This is not a failure video. This is a rebuilding in real time video. So I started this daily YouTube commitment, right? On the whim. Like on August the 1st, that evening, I'm going to start posting every day. And boy, oh boy, you could not have prepared me that this was going to be a lot more challenging than I could have ever anticipated. I'm not even going to tell you how long it took me to create video 1 and 2. And now we're on day 3. I struggled so bad to get through day 2 specifically. I'm now realizing that consistency, baby, it is much deeper than just posting. It's about pushing through on the days that you want to quit, that you want to stop, that you want to start over. You just got to push through. And it can be challenging. You know, a lot of people talk about content creators or people who decide to create content to create an income. And they don't really understand that a lot goes into creating content. A lot goes into creating videos. A lot goes into editing videos. Like that's one of the hardest parts is editing the video. And especially when you're a little rusty, when you're first getting started, when you've been gone for a long time and you just getting back, you got to start over from scratch. Or if you're brand new, you're starting from scratch and you can be your own worst critic. So you're editing your videos, you're retaking, redoing, and it really is a lot. I really thought that daily posting would bring motivation and inspiration, but really and truly, it has brought a lot of pressure, a lot of perfectionism, a lot of overthinking, a little bit of fear. So yes, day 2, it humbled your girl. Because I thought that just making the commitment, it was going to be easy. And I had this, baby. Creating daily content, specifically long form content, is really not for the weak. And there are a lot of people that tell you to just get on the camera, turn the camera on. Yeah, you can do that, but you have to be sharing value. You have to share something that makes people want to watch. And sometimes that's really not that easy. It takes work. You got to research. You got to put in the work. You got to really get into the nuts and bolts of how can I bring something of value to the table that is different than what everybody else is doing. So yes, day 1 of this commitment was a decision. Day 2 was quite a bit of a struggle and a lot harder than I truly anticipated. I got the video uploaded at 11:58 last night, and it looks like this video is going to be uploaded at the same time tonight. I told you, I'm doing this in real time. A lot of times you see people that's creating content and you think they got it all together. If only you knew what was going on behind the scenes, I think you would probably have a little bit more of appreciation of when people actually take the time to create content. And I truly feel like every creator that's making the money that they're making, baby, it's well deserved. You know, consistency sounds good until you're forced to show up tired, until you're not inspired, until you do not like how you sound, until you do not like how you look, even with you questioning if anyone is going to care or if they're going to watch. And of course, that little voice in your head is going to tell you, you don't have to do it today, or you can quit, or you can stop. You don't really have to do it. No, I'm the type of person that when I commit to something, I'm going to do it. There are times when I have done challenges, right? And it started with 3 or 4 people and I was the last one standing. It got hard. And I'm not saying anything to the people that didn't continue on in the challenge because I get it. Life happens. But for me, when I commit, I commit. I do it, I push through, and I follow through. The one thing I'm realizing about consistency is doing it when you don't feel like doing it. You have to have a reason to show up. Just like you may not feel like going to that job, but guess what? You got to go to that job because your bills got to get paid, right? The same thing with creating content. The same thing with choosing to do something different to create more money. You got to be committed. You got to be consistent. Even when your mind is giving you 25 reasons not to. Sometimes the thing you're trying to teach and the thing you're talking about is something that you're still learning, something you're growing through, something that you're still working on, something that's still in progress. And that's okay. If you are a woman over 40 and you have started, stopped, pivoted, changed your mind, tried again, disappeared, and came back, baby, I understand you. So day 2 taught me that the video did not have to be perfect to be posted. You can struggle and still complete something. It can feel awkward as long as you still show up. You can be building and teaching at the same time. You do not have to have the whole journey figured out to document the next step. And for the person that's watching this wondering if you too can go ahead and make a commitment to post every single day, to create content every day, to give value every day, listen, you may be on step 5, but you can share information to help a person that's on step 0, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and even some step 5s. You see what I'm saying? There's always room to grow. Sometimes the win is not that whatever you're doing is amazing. The win is that you showed up and you did not quit on yourself. If you are over 40 and you're looking to rebuild, do not mistake struggle as a sign that you're not called to do it or not knowing exactly how to do it. Maybe you can relate that you're on day 3 of something and you're already feeling like you're behind. It's okay, as long as you keep showing up. So if you are in the rebuilding phase and you have ever started something and felt like you were behind in the very beginning, it's okay, because guess what? You're still going. So if you are rebuilding too and you want to know exactly what I'm doing and you want to work with me, send me the words level up, because you already know, baby, this is officially level up season. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. Listen, being behind does not mean that you failed. Sometimes it means that you just need to adjust, move around, and keep going again. In this season, every time things get messy, baby, I'm not starting over. You know why? Because I'm in the process of learning how to just keep going, to resume, to push through, to move around. My days of stopping is over. You already know why. Because we officially in level up season, baby. Let's get it. Let's go.
Uncle Clifford's rule, 51,081. Stop trying to be everybody's cup of tea. Because if you don't, you ain't going to have nothing to sip on for yourself.
I am so done waiting to feel ready. This is day 1 of the August rebuild. Building intentionally out loud. Today is August the 1st. It is my birthday month. It is a new month, the beginning of something amazing, something great. It is time to level up like never before. I am so done with trying to make sure I have everything perfect. Baby, it's never going to be perfect. You just got to turn the camera on and say, you know what? It's go time. It's no more trying to figure it out. It's no more trying to put this in place and do this. This is it. So this is day 1 of the intentional level up living out loud. So if you are a woman over the age of 40 and you're feeling like you're overwhelmed, confused, feeling a little behind, feeling unclear, kind of like you've been sitting on your own potential, baby, this video is for the both of us. So listen, first and
Hey. So listen, it is August 1st and we have 5 months left in this year. So you already know it's time to kick it up a notch. Plus, it's your girl birthday month. It's level up season, baby. Let's get it. Let's go.